Updating your billing address on DigitalOcean is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DigitalOcean website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access the billing section. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section from the main dashboard. This is usually found in the account settings or the sidebar menu. Step 3. Edit billing information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. Enter your new billing address in the designated fields. Make sure to double check for any errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes. Now your billing address is updated. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to DigitalOcean support for assistance.